You hear that? Got a little bit of pressure build up in there. And my tank here is pretty much full, but I always get that pressure build up in there. So no, there's no vent on the Altera gas tank. The fuel tank does build up pressure, and you'll hear a hiss sometimes when you go to fill it up next time when you pull the cap off. So if your riding style takes you swimming, you get it to the racks, then you should consider putting a vent line on it to the pod or by the gauge up high, or get a cap vent that will vent it. So I hope that answers your question. No, there's no vent on these gas tanks. If you want to add one, you'll have to run a line up to the pod with a barb and some tubing. But yeah, let me explain this pressure underwater. So when you drive underwater, you're going to build up pressure. I don't know if you can see right in here, we get some oil leaking out of there. That's from riding underwater. It pressurizes the oil and makes it push out. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like button down below. Leave a comment down below if you would add a gas tank vent on your ATV if it didn't have one, and why you would do that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.